Hi guys, Omar here with the Samsung Galaxy S8, and today I'm going to show you how to show information on the lock screen. So for example, if you have any medical issues or anything like that, then you may want to put something on here to basically say that this is the medical issue that you have. God forbid if anything was to happen to you in any way and you can't respond, then someone can look at your phone and say, well, actually this guy has got some kind of issue that we need to keep in mind. So all you do is, obviously you need to have a lock set up. That's just mine at the moment. So first of all, you go into the settings menu, and then you go into lock screen and security. Then you go down into information and face widgets, and then contact information. Now here you'll put down whatever condition you have. So for example, if I just type in conditions, okay, and then if we hit done, now if we lock the screen and then we go in underneath the date here, you see conditions. Obviously this can be a lot larger than what I've just put down, but basically if you couldn't respond, or there was emergency services going through to see if you've got some kind of illness or whatever, then they'll be able to look at this and say, well, actually this is an idea of what we have, what we're dealing with, so we need to keep this in mind. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Subscribe and leave a like down below. Also check out my other videos and be sure to follow me on social media. Peace.